those two going without umbrellas in the rain? Why are they looking at each other like that? Why do they seem oblivious to the universe exploding outside them? Outside them, register them all too, in case it's contagious. Close the doors of official places, but not let them in. Arrest them and take their fingerprints. Torture them with buckets of despair. Search their souls and their pockets just in case. No, don't trust those splashing in puddles, those holding hands in the street, those embracing at the entrance to the subway to fight against the example set by their smiles. We must close our eyes, our mouths, our ears. Close our eyes, our mouths, our ears. The doors, the windows, the walls prevent them from entering our desolate gardens, our gray avenues full of people wandering without seeing each other, without speaking. Lest they splash us with colors, with laughter, with kisses, with madness, without seeing each other, without speaking, without loving. Lest they splash us with colors, with laughter, with kisses, with madness. Lest they awaken the tenderness that dwells beneath our skin. Lest they catch us off guard and proclaim to the horror of our sacred tranquility that everything is as easy, as simple as loving each other. Loving each other. Loving each other.